Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what holds it all together? From the tiniest grain of sand to the most massive galaxy, everything in our universe is governed by a set of fundamental rules. But what if I told you there's one special number that plays a crucial role in making existence as we know it possible? It's called the fine structure constant, and it's one of the most mysterious numbers in all of physics. If it were just slightly different, stars wouldn't shine, atoms couldn't form, and life would be impossible. So what exactly is this cosmic secret? Stick around to find out. And hey, if you love big questions like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science. Thanks for watching. Did you know one tiny number controls how atoms work and keeps the universe from falling apart? Let's discover the fine structure constant. So what is this magic number? It's often called alpha, and its value is roughly 1/137. This isn't just some random fraction. It's a fundamental constant of nature that dictates the strength of the electromagnetic force. Think of it as the universe's master dial. This constant determines how light and matter interact. It governs how electrons orbit the nucleus in an atom, how light is absorbed and emitted, and even the fusion reactions inside stars that create the elements we're made of. If alpha were just a tiny bit different, stars wouldn't shine. Chemistry as we know it wouldn't exist, and life would be impossible. It's the ultimate cosmic balancing act. Isn't that mind-blowing? If you're curious to learn more about the universe's secrets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder what the most mysterious number in all of science is? Forget pi or the golden ratio for a second. Let's talk about something truly fundamental. Look at this little guy. This is an electron, and it's constantly interacting with light. Now, the chance of an electron absorbing or emitting a photon, a particle of light, is governed by a single magical number, and that number is approximately 1 divided by 137. Scientists call it the fine structure constant. It's a pure number with no units, and it pops up everywhere in physics, connecting relativity, quantum mechanics, and electromagnetism. The crazy part? No one knows why it has this specific value. If it were even slightly different, the universe as we know it, including stars and life itself, might not exist. It's one of physics' greatest unsolved mysteries. If you love exploring the amazing secrets of the cosmos, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, guess what? I just learned about a super cool, super mysterious number that basically runs the universe. It's called the fine structure constant, and it's roughly 1/137. Okay, what does that even mean, right? Imagine the universe is a giant video game. This number, 1/137th, is like a secret code in the game's rules. It decides how strongly tiny little things, like electrons, get to interact with light and electricity. It's the ultimate how-to guide for atoms. If this number were just a tiny bit different, stars might not shine, and we wouldn't even be here. Isn't that wild? It's like a magic rule that shapes everything we see. So next time you see the number 137, give it a little nod. You're in on one of the universe's biggest secrets. If you love mind-blowing facts like this, smash that like button and follow for more. Thanks for watching. Ever wondered what you, the stars, and the giant redwood trees all have in common? It might sound crazy, but the answer is a tiny, glowing atom. From this single, humble beginning, the entire universe was built. Imagine this atom transforming, gathering mass and energy to become a blazing star. Then, cooling and coalescing into a planet, a world teeming with potential. On this world, life takes root, growing into a magnificent tree, reaching for the sky. And from that same cosmic dust, we emerge conscious, thinking beings. But here's the incredible part. All of this complexity, this beautiful order, hinges on a knife's edge. It's governed by a number called the fine structure constant, precisely set to 1/137. If you were to nudge this value even slightly, the delicate balance shatters. Stars wouldn't form, chemistry would fail, and the universe as we know it would collapse into chaos. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're not just looking at stars, you're looking at your own cosmic family tree, all held together by one perfect number. Isn't that amazing? If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Have you ever built a house of cards? Do you know how you have to place each card just right? One tiny nudge and the whole thing comes crashing down? Well, our universe is a bit like that, but on a cosmic scale. There's a special, secret number, a fundamental constant, that acts like the perfect placement for every single one of those cards. This number is super important because it helps atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything, stay stable and stick together. Without this number being just right, stars wouldn't shine, planets couldn't form, you and I simply wouldn't exist. If it changed by even a fraction of a percent, poof, the entire cosmic house of cards could fall apart. It's the universe's most delicate balancing act, and we're lucky it's perfect. Isn't that incredible? If you've found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more wonders of the cosmos. Have you ever played Tug of War? It's all about finding that perfect balance of strength, right? Too little pull and you lose. Too much and everyone tumbles over. Now imagine the entire universe is in a giant game of tug of war. In this game, the rope is the electromagnetic force, and the players are tiny particles called electrons. For our universe to exist as we know it, for stars to shine, for you and me to be here, the electrons need to pull with just the right amount of force. Scientists have figured out the magic number for this perfect pull. It's a fascinating constant called the fine structure constant, which is roughly 1 over 137. If this number were any different, even slightly, the game would collapse. Atoms wouldn't form, and the universe would be a completely different, uninhabitable place. Isn't it amazing how everything hangs in such a delicate balance? Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, ever wonder what holds our entire universe together? It's not magic, it's physics. And there's this one super special number that acts like the ultimate rulebook for everything. It's called the fine structure constant. Now, that sounds complicated, right? But what if I told you it's just like the perfect strength in a giant game of cosmic tug of war? Imagine two teams pulling on a rope. If the pull is just right, think a specific strength. Like 1 out of 137, the game is perfectly balanced, and it just works. That's how atoms hold together. But if that pull were even a tiny bit stronger or weaker, the rope would snap, the game would be over, and poof, atoms, stars, and even us wouldn't exist. So next time you look at the world, remember that it's all thanks to this perfect cosmic tug of war. Isn't that wild? If you found that cool, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science. Did you know that some of the biggest breakthroughs in science come from measuring things with incredible precision? Imagine a scientist in a high-tech lab, using a futuristic device to measure something so tiny it's almost unbelievable. This level of accuracy is what allows us to create mind-blowing materials like graphene. Graphene is a single layer of atoms. And getting its properties just right, like making it perfectly transparent, depends on super accurate measurements. But it doesn't stop there. This same principle of precision helps us explore the vastness of space. When astronomers point their telescopes to the distant universe, they're measuring light from quasars that has traveled for billions of years. These precise measurements unlock the secrets of the cosmos. From the tiniest particles to the largest structures in the universe, it all comes down to measuring things right. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science. Hey science lovers, ever heard of a number so important it basically writes the rules for light and matter? Let's talk about the fine structure constant. This isn't just any number. Scientists have measured it with mind-blowing precision. Imagine knowing your height down to a billionth of an inch. That's the level of accuracy we're talking about. But why does it matter? Well, this number perfectly explains why graphene, that super strong single atom thick material, is almost completely see-through, literally dictates how much light it can absorb. And get this, astronomers are peering at distant stars and ancient galaxies, checking to see if this fundamental number is exactly the same everywhere across the cosmos. How cool is that? If you love these kinds of mind-bending science facts, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching. Hey, science lovers! Ever wondered what the most important number in the universe is? It's not pi, and it's not the speed of light. It's a mysterious number called the fine structure constant, roughly 1 over 137. So what is it? Think of it as the ultimate cosmic rulebook, governs how light and matter interact. If this number were just a tiny bit different, stars wouldn't shine, atoms couldn't form, and well, you and I wouldn't be here. It's the secret sauce that makes our universe possible. It's so precise. It's like throwing a dart across the entire universe and hitting a bullseye the size of an atom. Want to dive deeper into cosmic mysteries like this one? Hit that subscribe button and join our journey through the stars. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Ever wondered what holds our universe together? It's not just gravity. There's a secret number, a magic constant that fine-tunes everything we see. It's called the fine structure constant, or alpha. Imagine it as the universe's master volume knob. It sets the strength of how light and matter interact. If alpha were just a tiny bit different, stars wouldn't shine, atoms couldn't form, and life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. This single dimensionless number, roughly 1 over 137, dictates the very fabric of reality, from the color of the sky to the structure of your DNA. It's the unsung hero of physics, silently ensuring the cosmos works. So, the fine structure constant is a tiny number with a huge job holding the universe together. What other science mysteries do you want to explore? Like, subscribe, and comment below.